Hey guys, welcome back and salutations everybody. It's your host Minecraft Kid Gamer, and today we are gonna be unboxing Minecraft like a wet Legos. Thank you, director. So yeah, we got like the Wither, we got like the Wither skeleton, and we got Steve with the iron armor. And yes, today's Christmas, guys. So comment down below what I don't know. Okay, what did you get, and what is your favorite present? What is the most important present that you've ever gotten? And let's go get to the unboxing, I guess. Hey director, move the camera forward a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna be I think I'm gonna go and grab my diamond sword to see. No, that's not gonna work. Obviously. Yes, I got this for Christmas, and I think this is pretty cool. My friend has one of his own. Now I'm gonna have one. Hi Buffy. Hi Buffalo. I'm sorry, but you're not in this video, Buffy. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm very terribly sorry for you. And I'm terribly sorry for this box as well. I don't even know how to open the boxes these days. Wow. That is actually sad. Okay, guys, I got the box open. It didn't take me a while. Now, here's our directions. Here is the directions. So you see, this is like the directions of what I need to build. So, yep. So yeah, director, you might wanna pull this out. Yeah. So guys, I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys. This is just part 1, but part 2 is gonna be me building the thing. So if you guys enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and we get 10 subscribers at the end of Christmas. I will be doing a special video for you guys. It's definitely gonna be something that you guys are gonna like. So I'm signing out. Bye!